Okay, here we go, guys. We are back here for the third part of the exponential functions video. We are doing grade 9 algebra 1 book, chapter 7, lesson 6, exponential functions. This page number is 455. Okay, so I showed you this one here. They're inserting the values of x and finding the y. So they're getting the ordered pairs x and y, ordered pairs, and then plotting the values. Okay, I told you guys in the last part that I will solve this one for you. I will find out this one for you and we'll graph it. But this one you guys have to do it by yourself. The same thing, I think, just for the negative. So you will get the graph in this way for this one. Okay, let me do it for you now. Okay, let me open the blackboard. Let's remember y is equals to 0.5 times 3 to the power x. Y is equals to 0.5. Y is equals to 0.5 times 3 to the power x. Similarly, let me do it for you guys, the second one also. Don't worry, I'll do it for you. Okay, here it is. Negative, this one, negative 0.5 times 3 to the power x. So negative, here it is. Y is equals to negative 0.5 times 3 to the power x. Let's put the times in this way so you don't get confused. Same, guys, again, we'll create the table always when we are graphing, we're plotting this stuff, we always create a table here, and we'll take a range, let's say from negative 2, negative 1, then 0, 1, and 2, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, and 2. So if I insert negative 2 here, what I will do, guys, negative 2, let me show you the first one. Let me show you one. Okay, let's say if I insert negative 2 here, it will be 0.5 times 3 to the power negative 2. You know that when we have the negative power, we take its reciprocal, so it will be 0.5 times 1 over 3 to the power 2. It will be 0.5, I can write it as 1 over 2 times 1 over 9. That is 1 over 18. That is 0.05 repeating. So this is 1 over 18. Similarly, if I insert negative 1 here, I will get 1 over 6, which is equals to 0.16. If we insert 0 here, it will be 1. 1 times 0.5, that is equals to 0.5. For 1, it will be 1.5. For 2, it will be 4.5. For 3, it will be 13.5. In this way, guys, we can carry on. Similarly, for this one, for the negative values, here you will get the same values but in negative form. Negative 1 over 18, negative 1 over 6, negative 0.5, negative 1.5, negative 4.5, and so on. And now you know that how to graph it. Okay, you want me to do it for you? Okay, let's do it for you guys. Let me erase the one and we'll graph it. Let me erase this side and we'll graph it to show you guys. Okay, here it is. It's taking time to erasing a certain section. Okay, now let's draw it. Here it is. Negative 1, negative 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, let's say, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, similarly down here, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. Okay, let's graph it. Let's plot it now. So if it is negative 2, it will be 0.0555. It means very close to the line, very close to the line. 0.05, very close to the line. Similarly, if it is negative 1, y is 0.16, still very close to the line. And if it is 0, it will be 0.5, it means half of this one. Okay, it is here. If it is 1, so it will be 1.5, it means in the middle of 1 and 2. If it is 2, it will be 4.5 in the middle of 4 and 5. Yeah. And if it is 3, it will be 13.5 like here, and 4, it will be 40.5 up high. So if we join the dots, we will get a graph in this way, guys. Okay, up here. And as I told you, if you keep on inserting the bigger values, the graph will keep on going up and up. And if you keep on inserting the negative values here, your graph will keep on approaching the 0 of y, but it will never touch it. Okay, now let's get back to, I hope you guys understand this one. Okay, now let's get back to the lesson. Okay, here it is now. See you guys. This one down here, again, this is the function. They are inserting the values of x and finding the values of y and plotting it. Similarly here, they give us the function, and this one is for zoom in. You can read it, guys. This one is for zooming in a certain section, but we have a function, so we can insert the values of x. They're putting all the zero values because they're talking about the zooming in and zooming out. So we're just taking the positive values. For this one, similarly here, we'll insert the same value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 for x, and we'll get, like the first one will be, I think, 400, and for this one, if it is 0, it will be 100. Y will be 100. If you insert x as 1, it will be 400, then 1600, and then 6400, and then 25,600, like that. And what is the percent change in area each time you zoom out in? So that is, I think, 300% each time. So you can do it by yourself and find out the things. Okay. So even the next one here, it's about the using calculator. We are finding the two functions here now. 2 of x equals to 0.5x plus 2. So you can see we have two functions. One is exponential, so we write them separately. F of x is 2 to the power x. And the second one as g of x. G of x is 0.5x plus 2. So this is x. We are inserting the input as a variable, not as an exponent. So this will be a linear function, and this will be an exponential function. Here they draw it, one linear and one exponential. And where they are intersecting each other, they draw it, guys, using the calculator. They use the calc function, the graphing calculator. There is a graphing calculator. So they use the calc feature, choose intersect to find the points where the lines intersect. So you can find these three using the calculator. Okay, so you can check, do a lesson check for your practice and the homework. I hope you guys understand the lesson, and if you really understand, guys, don't forget to pray for me. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.